Hello folks, I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz and Sprinter vans in Scarborough, Maine. This van just came in. This is a 144 wheelbase, pebble gray, high roof, 144 four-wheel drive. We're going to do a nice video of this this morning. As you can see up front here, it's got the fog lights. This van does have the 360 camera with the 7-inch screen in the dash. And one of your cameras is right here. It also has safety sensors here in the front bumper, safety sensors in the rear bumper as well. And I know there's not a lot of these vans out there in the market right now, and we're very fortunate to have this one in stock. Black wheels, matches the pebble gray very nicely. This has the wood floor in the cargo area with the anti-slip coating on it. It's got the nice cargo protection package to protect the walls. This also has a mid-latch for the sliding door, so it latches in place halfway, which is really a nice feature. Come back here to the back of the Sprinter van. And back here you can see I'd mentioned that it had the sensors in the rear bumper as well. It has 6 of them across the back. Also, we got the Mercedes-Benz trailer hitch. You can tow up to a 5,000-pound trailer behind this Sprinter van. And you can also put 3,500 pounds of weight in the van. Comes with the 270-degree doors. They latch in place right here at 90 degrees, and they do open all the way up. It's just a really nice feature. Very nice backup camera here just above the third brake light. And when we hop in the cab of the van, I'm going to show you some of the features in that 7-inch display screen that this van has. So now, folks, we're going to jump in the cab of the van and go over some features. All right, folks, so we're sitting in the cab of this very nice 2021 pebble gray four-wheel drive high roof Sprinter van. I want to start out right up here in the dash area. So this one has the wireless charging tray for your cell phone. It also has Apple CarPlay, and you can also connect Android to this as well. You plug in right here, USB port, you'd be able to get your apps on the 7-inch monitor. It also has a 12-volt charger up here and 2 other USB ports, just very convenient. And then I had mentioned that 360 camera. I want to display that for you in our 7-inch monitor. So you can see a sky view of the Sprinter van right here, and then also our rear view camera. And the yellow lines do turn with the steering wheel when you're backing up. Very nice. And I mentioned the trailer hitch. So if you're backing up to your trailer, and you can line the drawbar up so simple with that yellow line, just a one person could do that on their own. We have a nice wide angle rear view camera, nice blind spot. You can see both sides of the van, and you can also see the 360 view in this illustration as well. Nice wide angle front view and another wide angle front view. Just a really nice crystal clear backup camera. Also, you can pair 2 cell phones, has navigation, which is really nice. And we have AM FM radio, which is pretty nice too. This is also voice activated. You can tell it what station you want it to go to. Has a nice multimedia center, has a nice info center. So this van only has about 8 miles on it right now, but over time you can get your accurate fuel economy right here too, which is really nice. It has an app store and vehicle settings. So the van comes equipped with ESP, which is stability control. It has parking assist. That's what the safety sensors are used for in the front and rear bumpers. Those are really nice. Several other things too, your camera, which I just displayed for you. It does have active brake assist as well. It does have a sensor in the van, so if you have your cruise control on, it's going to help slow you down to prevent you from running into someone. Attention assist, it's really nice as well if you're on a trip. It's going to give you an alert to pull over and take a break if you're sleepy. Blind spot assist, and much, much more. This van does come equipped with cruise control, heated electric mirrors, has heated seats. It's got the comfort seat package with leatherette. It's got your four-wheel drive high and low. It's got downhill deceleration. So if anyone out there is looking for a really nice four-wheel drive van, please feel free to give me a call. My name's Roger, and then you can reach me on my cell phone at 207-838-0169. Thank you so much.